cool, dude. I want to box.
And then one right there, that white one right there, that's head bobbing is Justin.
The one eating the stick is just.
Yeah, he's going. I gotta get this. He's like, yeah.
Pecking the other one in the face. He was like, yeah, you can get no treat.
Hello, bird. Oh my god, dude.
Look at its mouth. It's yelling at you. So get away.
Watch.
She's getting angry. Look at that one. It's upside down.
Bird, are you okay? Bird, what are you doing? Spider-Man.
You gonna have that next?
Dude, Bird, what are you doing? Yeah. There's
That
Justin.
one's really cool.
I know. He's like, I'm the ball.
I would.
This is where I want to go. Ah. Get off of me. Look at him.
Look, I'm not ready for this. My hair's not working.